front of me is Lenovo Tab P11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Then click on System. Now select About Tablet and tap on Device Name section. Finally, just type in wherever you wish to. I will go with Snow White. When you're ready, choose OK and confirm your choice by tapping on OK in Device Name pop-up. And now, as you can see, name of my tablet has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!